Hello plant enthusiasts, today we're immersing ourselves in the world of Peperomia Prostrata, a delightful and unique succulent that adds a touch of elegance to your indoor garden. This charming plant has distinctive features and care requirements for successful cultivation, but before we delve into the green adventure, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the captivating world of plants. Peperomia prostrata, commonly known as string of turtles, is native to the rainforest of Brazil. It is a tropical plant that thrives in warm and humid environments. In its natural habitat, it typically grows as a ground cover cascading over rocks and forest floors. The name string of turtles aptly describes the plant's remarkable foliage. The small, succulent leaves are marked with intricate patterns resembling the scuts on a turtle shell. These patterns create an eye-catching mosaic effect, with each leaf featuring a unique combination of green and silvery markings. The result is a plant that looks like a string of tiny turtles hanging from trailing stems, adding a touch of whimsy and visual interest to any space. String of turtles is known for its relatively low maintenance care requirements, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced plant enthusiasts. It thrives in bright to moderate indirect light and prefers to drought between waterings, making it forgiving for those who may occasionally forget to water their plants. Its compact growth habit and trailing stems also make it suitable for hanging baskets or as a cascading accent in container gardens. A well-draining potting mix is essential for its health. Maintaining a moderate level of humidity will also benefit this succulent. It's relatively low maintenance and can adapt well to typical environments. It is a versatile, charming addition to any indoor garden. The string of turtles adds a touch of whimsy and elegance to your living space, making it a favorite among plant enthusiasts. In conclusion, Peperomia prostrata, also known as string of turtles, is a captivating and unique succulent that can brighten up any indoor space. If you found this exploration as enchanting as we did, please give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of plants on our channel.